In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Squarespace using both automated and manual options. Adding taxes to your Squarespace store is crucial for compliance and can be set up easily with just a few steps. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. The Settings menu is where you can manage all your site's crucial settings, including taxes. Click on Selling within the Settings menu. This option specifically allows you to manage all aspects related to the selling experience on your site, such as products, orders, and of course, taxes. Next, proceed by clicking on Taxes. This will take you to the page where you can configure your tax settings. Here you have the choice to set up taxes manually. If you choose the manual method, click on Manual Tax Status. Once in the Manual Tax section, go ahead and click on ADD Rate. This will start the process of creating a new tax rate for your store. Choose a country for which you want to configure the tax. It's important to select the correct country as tax regulations differ significantly from one region to another. After selecting the country, click Next. This step allows you to define the specifics of the tax. Type in a tax name. This should be something descriptive enough to identify the tax easily. Then, input the tax rate applicable to your products. Squarespace provides flexibility in charging taxes. You'll see options on whether to charge taxes on services and digital products. Depending on your business type, select the appropriate option to ensure your taxes comply with local regulations. Similarly, decide if you want to charge taxes on shipping. Shipping tax rules can vary, so it's a good idea to double-check your local tax authority or consult with a tax professional if you're unsure. Once you have all the details set up, click on Save. This will apply your new tax settings and ensure that your online store is tax compliant. For those who prefer automation, Squarespace offers an automated tax feature. To switch to this, click on Switch to Automated Tax. Automated taxes dynamically calculate the correct tax rate at checkout, taking into consideration the location of your customers. It's a great way to take the guesswork out of tax compliance. Then, click on Automated to enable the feature. Finally, hit Update to confirm your choice. Automated taxes will update automatically, ensuring you're always applying the correct rate without manual configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and manage taxes in your Squarespace store, both manually and with automation. Whether you're selling products locally or internationally, these steps will help you stay compliant and manage taxes seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Squarespace tips and tricks.